Embossing with Curio 2. Step 1. First, from the page setup panel, set the machine to Curio 2. Step 2. Ensure that the tray is set to auto electrostatic bed. Step 3. Set the cutting mat to protector sheet only. Step 4. In the print and cut borders section, ensure that the show cut border box is checked. Step 5. Go to the library and select the User Designs folder from the left panel. Step 6. Select a Vellum card insert design which will load into the workspace. Step 7. Select the design and set it aside. Step 8. Select the notched card insert and drag it into the cutting area. Step 9. Now, input the width and height to set the media size to match the actual paper. Step 10. Go to your machine and place the protector sheet on top of the electrostatic bed. Step 11. Place the paper you'll be using for the notched card insert, line it up on the left edge and ensure to leave a small gap on the top. Step 12. Insert the auto blade on the left carriage and lock it in place. Step 13. Insert the embossing tool on the right carriage and lock it in place. Step 14. Press the electrostatic attraction button to charge the ES bed. Step 15. Let it charge for a couple of minutes. Step 16. Once it's fully charged, the protector sheet will stop moving around. Step 17. Go back to the software and go to the Send tab. Step 18. Click the material drop-down and select the material you're using. Step 19. Go to the cut section, set the blade depth at 2 and then set the force and speed. Step 20. Once you're ready, click Send, check the instructions in the new pop-up window and click Send. Step 21. The machine will perform height detection automatically and it'll start cutting the design. Step 22. Once it's done cutting, turn off the electrostatic charge and remove the material from the protective sheet. Step 23. Now, remove the material cut for attaching vellum, check the cut and set it aside. Step 24. Remove the protective sheet from the electrostatic bed, place the embossing mat on the ES bed and line up the marks with the notches. Step 25. Press the electrostatic attraction button again to charge the ES bed. Step 26. Peel off the cover from the mat. Step 27. Go back to Silhouette Studio and go to the Design tab. Step 28. Select the design in the cutting area and set it aside. Step 29. Go to the Library tab, search for a card design and double-click to load it into the cutting area. Step 30. Drag and draw a bounding box over the design, then change the line size from the input box. Step 31. Go to the Page Setup panel, set the machine to Curio 2 and ensure that the tray is set to Auto Electrostatic Bed. Step 32. Set the media size to Curio 2 Emboss. Step 33. Set the media size according to the material you're working with. Step 34. Set the orientation to landscape mode and then zoom out to get a better view of the design. Step 35. Select the design, click Ungroup in the toolbar and then drag and delete the pieces that you do not need from the design. Step 36. Right-click the design and click Release Compound Path. Step 37. Drag away and delete the pieces that you do not need, then select all the pieces of the design and click Group. Step 38. Select the design, place it inside the media and resize it from the Quick Access toolbar to fit into the media. Step 39. Reposition the design inside the media and then click Center to Page in the Quick Access toolbar to center the design. Step 40. Once you're happy with the design, go to the Send tab and collapse Carriage 1. Step 41. Select the design, go to the Carriage 2 section and select Emboss. Step 42. Click the Material drop-down and select Vellum. Step 43. If you get the setting not found information, click More and click Edit Settings for Curio 2. Step 44. Select Carriage 2 and click the plus button on the side. Step 45. Select Add Emboss Action, set the force to 16 and speed to 10, leave the rest as it is, and click Save. Step 46. Close the Material Settings window, set the force and speed settings here again, and click Save. Step 47. Go to the machine and place the clear tabs in the media. Step 48. Line up the media on the mat with the sticky edge on top and smooth it down. Step 49. Go back to the software, click Send, check the setting selected in the prompt and click Send. Step 50. The machine will register the height and start embossing. Step 51. Once done, power off the electrostatic charge, remove the mat and pull off the design from the mat. Step 52. Remove the clear tabs from the design. Step 53. Grab the cardstock, fold it in half and tuck the vellum corners into the notches of the first cut design. Step 54. Apply adhesive on the back of the material, then line it up and place it on the cardstock. Step 55. Now you have an embossed card. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.